Mustang time here at Unique, especially in classics. This particular one, 2014 Ford Mustang Coupe. Black and black, so black exterior, black interior. This one does have some tasteful modifications done to it. First of all, let's start with what you can see from the exterior. SVE wheels. Nitto NT 555 radial tires on there, and those were actually installed last summer. A few thousand miles on them. Underneath the hood, of course, the 5-liter V8 that is paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission in this car. As you can see, the hood also not stock. That would be a Cervini heat extractor hood. Some other things going on underneath that hood. It does have a Whipple supercharger that has been installed. This car was actually tuned and dynoed at 668 horsepower to the rear wheels, 537 pound-feet of torque. That was actually done at DB Performance in our area, Rogers, Minnesota. Car has approximately 36,900 miles on it. Started out as a Ford GT Premium Coupe track pack car, FYI. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front fascia. You can see there is a license plate bracket down here in the center that will fold out right there, out and up. Paint on this car has a nice luster to it. Shows well. It's black. You're going to find a few nicks here and there, but overall shows very well. Check out the still pictures so you can see this one from every angle, top to bottom, inside and out. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us at 507-386-1726. There is a folder of receipts and some of the things that were done to this. That's what I'm going through and kind of giving you the highlights of it. And you can sure consult with any of your sales associates when you call in. As you can see, the Eleanor style rear quarter window treatments. Of course, bucket leather seats up front. Center console with a 6-speed manual transmission. We'll get into some more of the options on the interior when we get around to the driver's door and start this up. One thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now that we're around to the rear of this, let's talk about the exhaust a little bit. This does have Flowmaster cats on it. Also has Roush exhaust tips and mufflers. Something else you're going to find underneath the rear of this car, it does have different rear shocks, sway bar, panhard bar, lower control arms, and an axle mount replaced with BMR suspension components. And again, there are also receipts for that. Take a look up and down that passenger side. You can see how straight that car is. Luster coming off the paint. Nice reflection from the wall. And again, those still pictures, so you can see the underside. Check out those suspension components I mentioned. Exhaust. Check out the underside. Very clean in this car. UniqueClassicCars.com. That's where you can find that. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. Let's go ahead and take a look down the driver's side of this car. And again, you can see it's pretty much free of much of any dings, nicks or scratches, nothing real major. There was a couple things on the windshield I noticed, must have picked up a couple little rocks. There was one here, and there's another one, FYI, over on the passenger side. You can kind of see that in the still pictures also. Just want to give you a heads up. It's a terrible no, but you want to make you aware it's that it's there. The other thing about the windows on the side, they are tinted, and it is a darker tint. So depending on your local and state laws, you may want to check that out. Check it out in the still pictures. You're going to see what I'm talking about. As far as the interior, let me hit a few things on that also. We do have a shaker system in there. Of course, you have your Microsoft sync system, and you'd also have Sirius XM radio on this one, all your steering wheel controls, and all the other standard components that are going to go with it as far as power locks, windows, power seat on the driver's side, power mirrors, of course, and again, steering wheel controls for cruise, and then also your media center, if you will, radio, CD player. All right, we're going to fire this up because this thing's got a little bark to it. You want to hear it run, good sounding car. We'll take a quick look at the seats before we get out and let you peek at those. Also in nice shape. Alright, there's your miles. I'm going to talk up a little bit. 36,962 exact miles. You can see no warning indicators, check engine lights, codes, anything like that on. I also do believe there was a receipt for the airbag being redone. I'm guessing it was the same recall as prior years, so there was a receipt for that in there too. With the tune, settles down, got a nice little rumble to it. But as you can hear, it will liven up. It's got some throttle response, and it does have some bark. So, and we'll check out that supercharger underneath the hood in a second too. All right, seats, take a quick peek at these. As you can see, worn nicely. No rips, tears, any sort of excessive wear. You can see that in the still pictures also. All right, slip around behind this. I'm gonna pop this hood. Check that in a second. Again, Magnaflow cats, Roush mufflers and exhaust tips. Sounds good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood and check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, so there we go. Cervini hood open, heat extractor hood. Something I also forgot to mention, I think it was a Stalker rear wing, also by Cervini on the rear of this car. You'll see in those pictures. Here's that Whipple charged, Whipple supercharged, 5-liter Coyote engine. And again, there is paperwork on this. There is the dyno work. It was done by a professional shop here in Minnesota, Rogers, Minnesota. DB Performance is what it's called. So nicely done. And you can see this engine bay is tasteful. The mods in this car are very tasteful. Performance orientated. Have a little fun with the car, but still very streetable and drivable. And as you can see, it runs as it should. Smooth running V8. And remember, 668 horse of rear wheels, 537 pound-feet of torque. And that's to the rear wheels in a dyno. 2014 Ford Mustang GT Coupe, Premium Coupe, track pack. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.